MyPilotPro has a new product that will ensure the stability and safety of any action camera mount. The SecurePro Thumbscrew. This thumbscrew features a cotter pin that provides additional protection against losing your camera during a flight. It also works with all MyPilotPro camera mounts and GoPro cameras. The SecurePro Thumbscrew is CNC milled from a single aluminum billet. The end of the threads has a through hole that accepts a cotter pin, which eliminates the possibility of the thumbscrew coming undone. This thumbscrew is the ultimate accessory for GoPro mounts.